Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make tamarind sauce, or in Kiswahili it's called Ukwaju. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe we'll need about a quarter kg of tamarind. Then we're going to add in some hot water so that you can wash them. So make sure you wash them well so that they can remove any dirt from it. After raising the ukwaju, it should be as shown. As you can see, mine look clean. Then you're going to add in hot water for soaking it so that you can extract the juice well. So you're going to put the hot water and let it soak for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of soaking, using your clean hands, you're going to squeeze in the tamarind as shown in the video so that you can extract the juice. You then strain the tamarind sauce so that you can remove any dirt that has been left. After straining, just look how appetizing it is. So you're going to add in some garlic cloves. I've used about 3 garlic. Then you're going to add 1 onion, red onion. After that, you're going to add some ginger, about 1 inch of ginger, fresh ginger. Then you're going to add about a handful of bell pepper, or you can use 1 bell pepper. Then you're going to add 1 chopped carrot. Then you're going to add some salt to taste. You can also add some pepper, as much of it if you want, but I've used only 1 red pepper, so I've used 1 pepper. You're going to mix that well, then you're going to blend them until smooth. After blending, this is how the sauce looks like. It looks so appetizing. You can take the sauce with viazi karai, bajia, or even samosa, and you can also use it to marinate some chicken or beef. Guys, please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. And also don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn to make their own tamarind sauce at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.